Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to TCS Ninja interview experience. So in this video, we have Yamini with us and she selected in TCS Ninja process previous year through TCS NQT examination. So she will share her interview experience, that how she cracked the TCS interview process, what are the some rounds. So I am adding Yamini in today's video and we start the today's video and we discuss about the complete process. Okay, that is related to interview and all about. Okay, so wait. Okay, Yamini. Okay, hello, how are you?
Hello, I'm really fine. How are
Okay,
you?
I am also fine. First of all, congratulations for selected at TCS Ninja. And first of all, as we know that TCS Ninja 2022 batch results is declared. So we have to just
Yes.
share, means we have, I have just to make the video for candidates that you will share your valuable interview experience with us. So brief introduction about yourself.
Okay, thank you. Hello everyone. My name is Yamini Dongre, and I have been selected for my TCS Ninja profile in October 2020.
Okay.
And I'm here to share my experience of the exam as well as my interview process. Uh,
Okay.
to
Yes,
all
yes.
of you.
Yes, yes. So the how do you get to know about this opportunity? Like this is off campus or on campus recruitment if you have applied?
Uh, Yes, it is completely off-campus drive, as we all
Yes,
know that
yes,
TCS is conducting all these exam just off-campus
yes,
drive.
yes.
So I really get to know about this opportunity from your channel, online learning itself,
Thank you so
and
much.
you really explained a whole registration process and whole the conduction of the exams and the pattern really well, and it really helpful to me throughout the process of registration.
Yes,
Thank you
yes,
so
yes.
much.
Thank you so much. Okay. So the my next question is that how many rounds were there in the process? Like as we know all about the TCS NQT examination, like there is a online test in which aptitude and coding is asked. But if I talk about interview process, so what are the number of panelists in the particular interview in your interview, and what are the number of rounds like a technical round, HR round, and the managerial round?
Yeah. So first of all, as I get selected to the Ninja profile, I got a mail,
Yes,
and then after they told me that they will connect with me after some time to schedule my interview.
yes, yes.
So I got my mail within 15 to 20 days of my of my selection in TCS,
Okay.
and after that, the day after I got the mail, there was my interview.
Okay.
I really want to say that you should start preparing the day you got the selection mail,
Yes, yes.
because they just conduct the exam. They just send you the mail, and another day they will conduct the interview.
Okay.
So I would like to share my interview details.
Yes.
First of all, there were three panelists. One is TR, who is taking care of my technical, and second one is MR, and the
Yes.
third one is HR. So
Okay.
there is a saying that whenever the interview will start, you will be asked about yourself. So
Okay.
there is nothing like that for me. As I just joined the meeting, they do have my resume, which I shared previously, and they just asked me about that you are really good in your academics, so what is your favorite subjects in your whole engineering career?
Yes.
So as I am a CSN student, I told that I like that data structure and obviously object oriented programming,
Yes.
as I'm just comfortable with these subjects.
Yes.
So
Yes.
I just choose these subjects only.
Okay.
Then HR just passed me to the technical round.
Okay.
So there is a lot of questions in technical round, which are quite basic but
Yes.
grooming
Yes.
questions.
Groomings
Like,
and tricky questions.
yes.
Yes. Yes.
So they asked me about object oriented programming question, like concept of object oriented programming,
Yes.
polymorphism, etc. Like simple and sweet and
Yes,
sweet
yes.
questions like that.
So they will
Then
just ask the questions from resume also?
yes,
Yes.
they do ask questions from my resume.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry.
Oh, okay. So means they will ask the questions from resume itself, and after the some of the questions of the technical. So what is the process like? What are the HR question and what are the MR questions?
Yeah, so let me just tell you some more things about technical, as they asked me about none other than my resume, but they asked me about basics of networking
Okay.
and object and operating system related questions too.
Yes,
I
yes.
mean, they are just really basic, but they do ask simple questions too.
Some of the questions
Then
that is related to branch also and specific technology also.
yes, yes,
Yes,
yes,
yes,
yes,
yes,
they
yes.
do ask these questions.
So what are the some means MR questions? Like there is a puzzle solving questions or different
Yes.
questions?
Yeah, actually, as my technical round is completed, the MR is already present in the meeting,
Okay.
and the TR just passed me to the MR, and he's listening all the technical and all this stuff about how I am responding to the technical session.
Yes.
So he asked me about some tricky question like, if you are the manager of your team, then how will you deal with some situation? It's like
Yes.
totally situation based questions.
Yes.
They asked me 2 to 3 situation based questions, which I responded very well, and they thought that they are satisfied with my
Okay.
answers.
Okay. Means
And
in in MR round there is a situation based question.
yeah, they do ask about TCS related questions too. I mean,
Okay.
they ask, yeah, they ask me about why you choose to be in TCS, or why are you applying for the job, and what are the key features you look for your profile, and what are you looking TCS you to provide things like that. I
Okay.
mean, they just grooming out how mentally strong I am to be in TCS or not. It's like that.
Okay. Means they will check your confidence also.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes, yes. So
It's the key
after
point.
the yes, yes, it's the key point. After the MR round is over, there is a HR round, I think. So what are the some HR questions?
It's nothing like that, but as my HR is not asking anything, but whole to whole interview, my whole to whole interview goes with MR to TR and TR to MR.
MR.
Uh,
Yes, yes.
yes,
In some of
the
the
whole,
cases, this will be happen.
yeah, actually, HR, my HR was just in the beginning. He just visited my resume and just asked me that you have a good academics and something about my resume, and he just asked me things in the resume, but did not ask anything seriously like in the interview process.
Okay, okay. Means this is the complete process that you means that you done in the interview process like TR, MR, and HR. Okay.
Yes.
So how much time will means how much time you will start your preparation and ongoing your preparation after you receive the interview mail from TCS?
Actually, I was just targeting TCS as my career company.
Okay.
So I just hoping that I got selection mail, or I just start preparing for the interview. But I do preparing from starting of my exams. I mean, as I completed my exam and I thought that it went well, and I thought that I should get selected. So the day I completed my exam, I started preparing for my interview. I take a reference from Geeks for Gigs and
Yes.
Fest Prep websites.
Yes.
Yeah, they helped
This
me a lot.
these are the some good websites for preparing for the interview preparation and for the exam. Okay.
Yes.
So my next question is that is related to what are the advice to the viewers or candidates that how they prepared in the last time. Like we don't know about the TCS stream strategy. After they will be start interview in 2 to 5 days or after 1 month. So they will, so how they will motivate themselves and they will prepare for the whole interview.
Yeah, so I will suggest to all of those who get selected in the exam is you should start preparing according to your resume. I mean, you just need your resume to be strongly impacted on you. Just don't split out from the skills you don't have. I mean, they do ask me about my projects, if I am do I have done any work in my project or like that. So they do ask about your real skills, and they really want to know about what you want and what your skills are.
Okay.
So just don't put extra butter on your skills and something like that. They just
Yes.
judge them by their experience. I
Yes. Yes. Yes.
get, yeah. And just keep a smile on your face and respond confidently.
Yes.
This is the most important.
Yes. This is the
And
most.
yes. And also, if you don't know any answer, if they ask something like, if without you don't have any idea about it, so just be clear. If you don't know about the answer, just
Yes.
uh,
Be
don't
honest.
fill, yes, just don't fill the gap between the communication.
Yes.
If you
Yes.
don't know the answer, just told them that sorry sir, or I will try to get the answer of the question, but I don't know the answer,
Yes, yes, yes.
like that.
So, yes, yes. So it will be very good point. You just give the very good advice to the placements, means advice to the viewers or the candidates. So my last question is related how online learning channel is helpful in your preparation. Like I just got the message from your side that you are selected for TCS Ninja. So how channel will be helpful in your preparation?
Actually, I really want to say that the online learning platform is quite more than helpful to me, because as a final year engineering student, I was just seeking for uh, opportunities which I can apply in, and I really want authentic information from
Yes,
anyone.
yes,
So it's like when I started registering in the exam, I really want to say all of the selected candidates, just don't be afraid of anything. Just be confident in yourself. You all are doing great, and all the best to your interview.
thank you
Thank you.
so much. Thank you so much, Yamini, for your valuable feedback and for your valuable interview experience. It will be very helpful for candidates in order to crack the interview exam and in order to crack the interview process. So I hope, friends, this video is useful for everyone. If you have any doubt, you can drop your query in the comment section. If you find good content, please like and share the video with your friends. And I am just making the TCS series on the channel. You can visit, and I will make all the other videos that is related to TCS Ninja Topper test or other video. Thanks for watching the video.